Okay, so here we have all our gangangs feeding again. I was just counting them, so at the moment we've got 17 here this morning, but 13 of them are boys and only 4 girls. So that gives you an indication of some problems with their population in the wild. For some reason the females aren't doing too well. We have the same problem in New Zealand. In New Zealand our parrots nest on the ground, but gangangs, they nest in trees, so I'm not sure why the females are having such trouble in the wild. Maybe it's a behavioural thing. It could potentially be just the females don't like to move around, but I'm fearing the worst, that for some reason the females are dying or getting killed somehow, and you end up with this population imbalance. Lots of males, lots of juvenile males, but no females. Okay guys,